Lena. What are you doing?
Hi, Molly. Oh, I'm just making a chevron friendship bracelet.
That's so cool. I've always wanted to learn how to make one of those.
Now I have the perfect solution for you. You can attend one of the at-home skills classes that will help fundraise for the PASC State Conference being hosted at Mount Lebanon High School in 2021.
What is an at-home skills class?
It's a class that will teach you how to make this chevron bracelet and so much more.
That's so awesome. What other classes are being offered?
A pumpkin roll baking class, and tangle art classes, chevron and twist bracelet making class, and a Chinese staircase and candy floss bracelet making class.
When are these classes?
November 14th and the 15th. The time of the class will vary based on what you sign up for.
How much does a ticket cost?
It only costs $12 per ticket.
How do I sign up for these classes?
Using this QR code, you can register for as many classes as you would like.
Wow, that's so cool. I'll definitely sign up.